think that's good. Okay, let's do this. Alright, tutorial. You want to make a gun like this. Now, this is a new thing, but terrain. This isn't an actual gun because, see, look inside. It's just a trigger handle. If I pull out my maker pen, there's that. It's called the projectile launcher. Alright, you all use it. Now, this thing, it's pretty nice. I'm gonna teach you how to make it. It's pretty simple. Now, make it so you can have a gun. And you can threaten your friends. Currently, we have a projectile launcher conveniently placed. Now, you have to spawn in a, where is it? Wow. Very hard to find stuff with this new UI. This trigger handle. Go. Let's freeze it and stay in place. Move it up this a little bit. And go to circuits B1 and we get a clamp. Now you wire this to that. Now you have to do it from here to here, or just say it's frozen. You have to do it from the body. Shoes I see is people put this both at the top. You have to put the object that you want grabbable, all objects wired to, just to like this to the wire. It's kind of hard to explain. The object you want grab this, and the objects that you want like around it, on it, is that. Now wire this to the top. You've noticed it's kind of easy. Why are these going down? Yeah. Worry. Can also add a where is it? Rangefinder, but that is optional. Maybe you can clamp it on, turn it on, and you'll have like a little sniper thing. You know, how do we do this? Go UI, hit wire. Now we will have to move this, make it a little easier to use. There. Now we got a wire. Now do primary action pressed. Now wire it to fire forward, fire in direction. I think it's meant for like only things like vector gadgets, but I don't know how to use those. To fire forward, we can unfreeze that at the end. Now for extra, you can configure the speed, the damage for your head, your torso, or your hands. Also change the color if you want. We'll make it blue, I think. I don't think it really affects it. Or that. Or mint. If you configure the thing itself, you can see. You have 3 types of projectiles. You have the cork, which is basically just like the bubbly cork that you have on the bubbly. Same thing. We have the laser, which is like the thing that the laser pistols use. And the paintball, yeah. This one's like the pistol. And you have the color. We're gonna make it blue. Now, the count doesn't really matter because it all fires in the same exact thing. It doesn't like rapidly fire them all. Fires all of them. So we can keep that one. Speed isn't that much of an issue. Just max is 1, and we can put that to 100. Lifetime, things don't want to last until it disappears. Spread is like how, like, you know, how to explain, just like thinks it's only good if you want to make like a custom shotgun. Really, gravity enabled. It's like if you want to have like that, or have like a paintball pistol. Pretty nice. We'll just have it off. We're gonna make this again. Up. The cork. Where's the cork? Actually, the paintball. It's good. Yeah. Can't have sound. Now, these are the damage outputs. You can have head, which like makes it how much damage it takes if you get a headshot. Damage for torso if you get damage on a torso, or if you have damage on a hand. Now, we have sound enabled, so like whenever it shoots, it just makes a sound. Doesn't really matter. Now, we can unfreeze it. Before you do that, it's optional. The shapes. You can make a little design. This is surely optional. It doesn't affect anything. It's just meant to be fancy. So we can wear that. Top part's meant something that objects that you want to be on this. The main thing, the body. Now, finally, we can unfreeze it. Now, if you do it correctly, we can have a gun. Now, this is really useful for map making. So, like, you can make a boss. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. Do whatever you want. Okay, then we can move this up. Freeze it. Now we can do anything we want. Literally. Also counts as an actual object, so you can make custom weapons. That's it. That's literally the tutorial. And that's the tutorial, okay?